Foudys was born out of frustration, to be honest. I was a big women's football fan, and in 2019, I went out to France to the Women's World Cup. There were so many of us there, and we're all in our kit and wearing all the bits and bobs, but nobody was wearing the Lionesses kit. They were all wearing Beckham men's jerseys. My first question was why? And the response was accessibility. They couldn't find it. They couldn't get names on the back. They liked being able to get the names on the back. And I got back to England and I was like, I think I can solve this problem. And so I was the first company in the world, the first person in the world printing women's names on the back of every WSL football club from the end of 2020. I wanted to have the entire WSL collection and the entire NWSL collection and the entire international club collection. I had £3,000, so do the maths. Biggest turning point for me was accidentally falling onto the NatWest Accelerator course. It was the moment where it turned from this girl in her bedroom in Gorton to a genuine proposition.
With Helen in particular and with Foudys, it was so much more than the business. It wasn't the financial incentive, or that isn't what were motivating her, but what can she do to help women's sport and empower the next generation?
I feel really lucky with the NatWest Accelerator course because when I joined it, everybody was assigned somebody that would look after them and their business. So when I first met Jess, it was like a match made in heaven. She had a clear understanding of what made me tick. She was able to help me sort of like navigate this process, but in a way that felt palatable for me.
One of the best things that the Accelerator does is supporting business owners from different backgrounds, different sectors, but you're turning those possibilities into progress. So it may be you're coming for investment and we have a network of investors. It may be that you need support with your numbers. So we've got friends that work in the accountancy world. You may have an IP-rich business and you're thinking about how do I go about protecting this, or do I even have IP in the business? So what lawyers do we know? It's the wealth of knowledge and experience in the ecosystem that can also support those founders.
It's just about taking incremental baby steps. And my last baby step forward was finding the keys to a store in Manchester to like open the first women's football store. It was just like, right, that's my next baby step. Having the store on Deansgate for me is going to allow us to really epitomise what the women's football movement is about. It will just feel so different from every sports store you've ever been into. So it's a literal, physical representation of what we've been creating online for 5 years. And who knows what the next baby step after that will be.